everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you have got a Binance gift card code, let's redeem it and get your crypto in seconds. For that, open the Binance app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on the menu icon at the top left and tap More Services. Scroll down and go to Gift and Campaign section. Here, locate the option called Gift Card and tap on it. And tap Redeem to Crypto. Type or paste your gift card code into the box and tap Redeem. You will see a confirmation that your crypto has been credited to your funding wallet. And yes, that's how you redeem your Binance gift card. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more crypto tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.